Maria, 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 mo araw-araw ba dumne, imiyaramdamde. Maria.
Ola Marias, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year everyone! And I hope lahat kayo ay nagkaroon ng safe and memorable holidays with your family. And now, panibagong taon na naman po ang ating haharapin. Sana ay mas maging kapaki-pakinabang ang ating bagong taon at sana mas marami po tayong bagay na ma-achieve and magawa moving forward with this year, new life, new year, new you. Now, sa pagpasok ng panibagong taon, gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung tungkol sa pag-open ko ng aking Union Bank account. Nung nakaraang vlogmas, na-realize ko may mga nag-comment na hindi ko naman share yung aking step-by-step process ng pag-create ng Union Bank account. Nag-decide ako na i-share ito sa inyo ngayon. So, mas marami siguro sa inyo yung interesado na mag-open ng bank account because it's simply New Year kung may mga naipon kayo or binigay sa inyong pamasko nung nakaraang Christmas na gusto nyong i-save sa inyong bangko. Ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo ang step-by-step process kung paano mag-open ng Union Bank account without deposit, without going to the bank, and without maintaining balance. So if you're ready, then let's proceed with the video. Let's begin by downloading the Union Bank account mobile app. So pwede siyang i-download sa Apple Store or sa Android Store, which is Google Play. So you just have to type in Union Bank or Union Bank app and lalabas na yung logo na kulay orange. So ganito yung itsura niya, may malaking UB, nakalagay Union Bank, online, secure, easy, and smart. All you have to do is to download that and wait until it is completed. Now that the application has been successfully downloaded, let's now begin by opening it. Since I'm assuming this will be your first time using the application, let's click on Open an Account and then click on Savings Accounts and Debit Card because that's what we are creating right now. And after reading the important notice, just click Continue and choose Personal Savings. You can also go through other accounts that they are offering. But for this tutorial, we will click Personal Savings. It has initial deposit of 0, maintaining balance of 0, minimum ADB of earned interest is 10,000 pesos, interest rate is 0.10, and so on and so forth. So on this page, it will actually show you what are the valid IDs that you will be needing, including passport, driver's license, SSS ID, PRC, postal, and UMID in order to be accepted for this application. After that, you will have to go through and read the declaration, terms and condition, as well as the privacy for your own sake. Kailangan mo siyang basahin para mas maintindihan mo yung content and purpose ng bank account na ino-open mo. Once done, just click accept. Now, dito na magsisimula ang ating application process. It will require you to enter an email address as well as the contact number. Ito yung mga email address and contact number na gusto mong i-associate sa iyong Union Bank account na kinikreate. Dito sila magsasend ng mga notifications and mga email messages na gusto nilang isend sa'yo whenever there are any transactions made on your account. So simply enter your preferred email and a valid and active contact number. Now, this is the reason why I told you it has to be a valid and active number because they will be sending a one-time password on the registered mobile number. All you have to do is to enter those code on the page and then you will continue with the next step. Once the code is validated, we will now proceed with the sign up for your profile. Just enter your salutation, first name, middle name, last name, and date of birth. Make sure that this is accurate so that you will avoid any issues when you are submitting the file. Now we are ready to create a user ID and as well as a password. Make sure to follow the rules when it comes to creating the password, like the alphanumeric, 8 to 30 characters, so on and so forth. And also make sure to take note kung ano yung ine-enter nyo dito on a piece of paper para naman hindi kayo ma-lock out agad sa inyong account. Here, meron din kayong option na mag-login using your Face ID. So if you prefer that, you can also set it up. But in this case, I skipped that option and move on to the personal information tab. Dito, you have to enter your nationality, birthplace, civil status, and mother's maiden name. Just make sure you're entering the correct information and move on to the next step. Now, it's time to enter your present and your permanent address. This is very important because dito rin nila ipapadala yung iyong card kapag nag-request ka ng physical as well as the statement of account. Kung pareho lang ang present and permanent address mo, you can just simply click same as the present address for the permanent address field. Now, let's go to the financial information. So basically, ilalagay mo lang dito kung anong iyong occupation, source of funds, employee, business name, business industry, occupation, as well as the business address. Kung wala kang business address, let's say, self-employed ka, edi ilagay mo na lang yung address mo mismo. And then, just select what are the option or yung meron sila na pinakamalapit sa'yo. Tulad ko, I am a content creator, which is wala sa option, then just click others. Make sure na valid yung number na iaalagay nyo dito kasi hindi nila i-accept or hindi mag-go through sa next page kung hindi valid yung mga ID numbers na in-enter mo. Now, for the account details also, you have to include your purpose, estimated monthly transaction, as well as your citizenship. So basically, minimum here is at least 25,000. So kung hindi naman naabot sa 25,000, just select 25,000 still kasi yun yung unang level ng kanilang estimated monthly transaction. And then you can choose the purpose. Ako, business income kasi nga, this is my salary from YouTube. And then, of course, declare that you are not a US citizen. Now, kailangan na nating i-upload yung mga supporting document for this application. Kailangan either passport, driver's license, SSID, PRC, postal, or UMID. And kailangan updated and valid yung isasubmit nyo dito. Wais itong application ni Union Bank. Tinry kong i-enter yung aking postal ID and pretending it's a UMID and it is not actually valid. So, kailangan kung ano talaga yung ID pinili mo, yun yung indication or yung number na i-enter mo dito sa kanilang form. All you have to do is click a photo. Ayan o, postal, hindi pala postal ID. TIN ID, hindi siya tinanggap kasi ang sinelect ko UMID pero ang pinicturean ko ay TIN ID and yes, hindi po siya tinanggap. So you have to make sure na valid yung mga ID and accurate kung ano yung sinelect nyo na upload document, yun din yung pipicturean nyo. Reminder lang, back and front po ang kailangan picturean. Kaya kailangan yung sundin yung kanilang parang sensor. Kailangan may ilaw lahat yung sa taas, baba, gilid-gilid para naman hindi kayo paulit-ulit ng pagsasubmit. After nyan, kailangan nyo na ngayon mag-submit ng selfie. Kailangan i-make sure nyo na within the mold or kung ano man yung parang selfie face na meron sila, kailangan mag-fit doon yung inyong mukha and as much as possible, well-lighted siya. Kasi nung nag-apply si Papa, hindi na-accept dahil madilim daw yung kanyang photo. So make sure you follow the rules when it comes to submitting the application, documentation, as well as the selfie. Now, this time, kailangan mo nang pumirma 3 times. Just as usual, kapag nag-a-apply ka din sa bangko, kailangan mong i-attempt na magpirma ng 3 times para naman mayroon silang options. Or parang pag vinalidate nila yung pirma mo, ay meron silang reference. Now, before completely submitting your application, make sure to review all the information para naman hindi ka na paulit-ulit or para hindi bumalik sa'yo yung application mo and then sasabihin ni Union Bank you have incomplete address or meron kang malapong photo uploaded or so on and so forth. So, make sure na makorek mo siya before mo pa siya isubmit para hindi sayang sa oras. Once the application has been submitted, you just need to wait for about 24 to 48 hours to receive the confirmation from Union Bank. That is after they validated all the documents submitted, and also it will require you to activate your account, or basically to verify your email first and to make sure na talagang ikaw yung nag-submit ng application, and then after that another email welcoming you to a Union Bank account, and then it will be followed by activating your account and also requesting for a physical card. So basically, that's it. That's the step-by-step process on how you will be able to apply a Union Bank account. If you have further questions, make sure to leave that on the comment sections below, and hopefully ma-answer ko siya on my next video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Goodbye!